As someone who was able to drop 50 pounds, I have to be real with you, girl, okay? If a wellness habit requires too much work, mess, cleanup, just too much in general, girl, I'm not doing it and neither are you. I just remember the time when I was trying to figure everything out. Like, what was my exact routine? What did I need to do to get there? And how was I gonna get there in order to stay and want to be consistent in it? So I really needed something foolproof. I needed something that was like very easy and simple. Otherwise, I was just gonna do what I always did and quit or give up or have to start over at some other point in life. This time I was determined not to do that. So today, girl, I'm sharing with you my simple juice recipe that's totally stripped down. It's pure, it's refreshing, it clears brain fog, it clears toxins out of the body, it's mineral and vitamin packed, and it's something that's gonna help your body naturally adapt, and you'll start to really see the weight loss paired with the 10K step lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, girl, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because that's all we talk about on this channel. So just understand that this juice paired with that lifestyle is going to really get you there. And right now we're gonna make it together, girl, so you can see just how simple it is. For starters, you only need 3 ingredients, girl. This is not a 10-step juice routine, none of that. 3 ingredients: celery, lemon, and green apple. So when I started really juicing many years ago, I used to do all types of different green juices. I love a good green juice. I just like the taste of it, and I also feel like it's one of the healthier ones than just like a watermelon juice or something that's just so fruity. Those are great to have as a treat, girl, but you still have to drink those in moderation. So we always go green, and the more green, the better at the end of the day. So what I like to do is a celery juice. It's just packed with so much in it. Celery mixed with a little bit of green apple and that lemon. It helps to take the bite of the celery off. If you are someone that can do celery and lemon, I highly recommend that. But for our girlies who are just starting out and struggle with the taste of celery, this is going to be a very simple recipe for you. Okay, so you're going to take 4 celery hearts from Trader Joe's, 2 lemons, and 2 green apples. You can add an extra green apple if you really need it. The way I do this is I start off with 2 of the celery heart packs, 1 green apple, and 1 lemon. So I'm making 2 sets. So basically like 2 batches of juice because it fills up and I want to make sure I have a even, taste across the board instead of just guessing what should go into each. So this is the easiest way to do it, in my opinion. You just load the juicer up, you can walk away, and like the juicing part is self-explanatory, especially if like you own a different juicer, but the recipe is going to be the same. Also, the recipe will be in the description box, so you don't have to necessarily remember this. I'm just showing you guys what I do, and as you can see, it's made like 2 juices at a time. So I told you guys that I make about 4 to 6 juices, so I would have to do this 3 times if I wanted 6 juices. So when it comes to juicing, I know that one of the biggest headaches is like the cleanup of it. Like, nobody wants to sit and juice every single day, girl. It really is a lot. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it's the easiest thing to do if you're juicing every single day. But the secret hack is to batch your juice so that you can have juice to drink throughout the days or even the week if you batch it properly. So for me, I love to take a lot of juice in my juicer. This is the Well juicer that I personally use. I ended up buying this juicer because out of all the juicers I've had in the past, this one has withstood the test of time. I've had this juicer for literally years, girl. It can batch so much in one. It's super quiet, and the cleanup is very easy as there's only a certain parts that you need to clean, and the rest is just like not a headache whatsoever. So if you batch juice, it can make about 2 to 3 days worth of juice, and that's a lot if you think about it. So for me, I juice on Sundays. I end up making about 6 juices for the week. I make anywhere from 4 to 6. It just depends. But the extra secret tip that I'm going to give to you is that you should freeze your juice. When you freeze your juice, it lasts up to like 3 months, probably even longer than that. But I find that when you have frozen juice, you can just pull it out, unthaw it, and drink it at your leisure. So girl, let's start off with the reasons why I even got into juicing. When it came to dropping the 50 pounds that you guys see right here, I knew that I needed more than just walking. While we love our steps, nutrition and diet plays a huge part. And that's something I will not stop talking about on the channel because there's a lot of people that are simply lying to you and saying, all you have to do is this and you'll drop the weight. No, it's lifestyle, it's diet, it's everything all encompassing. And that's what I educate you girlies on here, because I want y'all to know what it really takes, but we also don't have to be extreme with it. We don't have to burn ourselves out with it. We can still do this in a very simple way. I got into juicing because I wanted to drink my veggies. I felt like it was a lot sometimes to get my veggies in whole. And eventually I was like, okay, let me try juicing the veggies. And I've been able to get my veggies and fruits easier that way. When you can drink it, it's just so much easier. And when it's ready to go, you're ready to go. Also just loved the way I felt overall within my body. My skin cleared up, just all these things that I was lacking when it came to certain nutrients, I was starting to get replenished from just from juicing. So you want to make sure you buy a cold pressed juicer. That's why the Namwell is the best. I get a lot of people arguing about smoothies over juicing, and those are things we can talk about later. But essentially, when you make a smoothie, it's heated up. With the cold press method, it's not heated up, so you still get those nutrients from the juice. I know there's a lot of people who fight and argue about all of that, but as someone who not only has been juicing for a long time, I have literally been in the juice industry working alongside many people who have done this for many, many years, and I have seen it firsthand. I've been educated, and I know what I'm talking about when it comes to that. And so that's why sometimes smoothies maybe aren't the best when it comes to needing to get all of your nutrients in. I'm not saying anything is wrong with drinking a smoothie, but I'm saying that I found that juicing for me just was better, especially if you're juicing your veggies. So take with that what you will. Of course, seek a doctor. Make sure this is safe for you to be doing and all of those things. As you guys know, I always leave y'all with that disclaimer. So just remember, taking care of yourself is a day by day, a step by step, thing. It's not something that you have to overwhelm yourself with. You don't have to do a 50-step routine, nothing like that. I make it very simple for you because we don't need extremes, girl. You might be someone who works at 9 to 5, you might have kids, you're just busy and life is hectic and life is hard, girl. So I try to find you ways and methods that you can remain healthy, remain in your wellness routines, and stick with it consistently. Of course, the work, you have to want this just as bad, but I am right here holding your hand through it all, girl. So with that being said, I want to introduce something that I have been working on and am continuing to work on up until the launch day, and that is going to be a foolproof walking app that is super, super easy, super sustainable. It's going to be a coaching app. So girl, you're going to literally get me within this app, holding your hand and telling you what to do every single day, okay? I'm going to showcase to you guys a little bit of what's going to be going on in this app. Again, I am still in the process of getting it all together and making it 100% just like me, my heart poured into this and given straight to you. But I'm so excited for this app. It is going to be a walking based app that's going to come with that nutrition help, the habit building reminders, and just all of the things to keep you on track from day to day. But it's also going to be simple, easy, no extremes, girl, okay? Of course, if you're curious for more on this app, go ahead and click the link directly in the description box, and you just add your email and I'll keep you up to date of when it launches. And yeah, we'll go from there, girl. So very, very excited for what is to come. We are doing big things on this channel, and it's all thanks to you guys and the love and support that you show me. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me any comments down below, any questions you might have. We can talk about whatever you guys are struggling with, or if you really enjoyed the video, go ahead and let me know and I'll respond right back. And I hope this helps you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, girl.